Imagine having a digital teammate who never gets tired, never misses a detail, and can finish hours of boring office work in just minutes. That's the promise of a new wave of AI tools in 2025, often called AI super agents. These aren't just chatbots that answer questions. They're smart, self-directed assistants that can think, plan, and execute multi-step tasks all by themselves. Think of it as a digital team of experts packed into one platform. It researches, analyzes, writes, and even creates presentations for you. In this breakdown, we'll explore what makes Context.ai different, how it works behind the scenes, and why it might completely change how you work, whether you're an analyst, a marketer, or just someone drowning in daily busy work. What is Context.ai? Think of Context as your personal AI-powered office assistant, the kind of assistant who already knows where everything is, understands your work, and can magically put it all together for you. Unlike old-school chatbots that feel like add-ons, Context was built AI-first, designed from the ground up to do real work, not just answer questions. This is where it outshines GenSpark. Instead of just summarizing or writing text, Context builds full reports, slide decks, and spreadsheets directly from your live data. Closer to what Manus does for large enterprises, but without the steep learning curve. It connects to over 300 apps and tools you already use: emails, spreadsheets, Slack, CRMs, Google Docs, and more. And it actually understands what's inside them. Instead of you digging through emails, copy-pasting numbers from spreadsheets, and formatting slides for hours, Context does it all automatically, gathering the data, analyzing it, and turning it into polished, ready-to-present documents and decks. In short, Context is like an autopilot for office work. How does Context work? Think of Context as a digital workforce, a team of smart virtual assistants working together like a well-trained office crew. When you give it a task, it doesn't just spit out random text like a basic AI chatbot. Instead, it breaks the job into smaller steps, just like a real team would. One AI worker digs through your emails and internal files for useful info. Another one searches trusted external sources. A third one analyzes the numbers and looks for trends. And yet another drafts the actual report or presentation. All these mini agents work in parallel, talking to each other, checking facts, and making sure the final result makes sense. They even cross-verify data against reliable sources. So when Context tells you sales grew 15% last quarter, it's based on real numbers, not guesswork. The best part? This all happens in minutes, not days. By the time you finish your coffee, you can have a complete presentation-ready report with charts, insights, and even citations showing where each fact came from, key features and capabilities. Deep integration with 300-plus apps. No more hunting for data. Context connects with nearly every tool professionals use: Microsoft 365, Google Workspace, Slack, Salesforce, ServiceNow, Snowflake, and more. Unlike GenSpark's basic copy-paste model, Context offers deep integration, similar to Manus, while staying user-friendly. No more digging through emails or switching between apps. Context pulls it all together automatically, saving you hours. AI-generated reports, presentations, and spreadsheets. Done in minutes. Need a professional deliverable? Context creates polished reports and proposals, slide decks with structured storytelling and charts, data-driven spreadsheets with actionable insights. Unlike GenSpark's summaries, Context builds full, ready-to-present materials. Similar to Manus's outputs, but easier to use. Real research, transparent thinking. Not just random AI text. Context searches internal and external sources, cross-checks facts, and provides citations so you always know where data comes from. Ideal for users needing credible, data-backed content. 4. Learns your style. Looks like you made it. Upload a few examples of your past work, and Context learns your tone, layout, and branding. Future outputs match your style, often ready to use without edits. 5. Team-friendly and seamless collaboration. Context fits into your existing tools and workflows. edit drafts in familiar apps, share and co-edit in real time, version control built in. Think of it as a smart coworker who knows your tools, your voice, and handles the busy work. And that's it. That's how Context.ai can turn hours of boring busy work into just a few minutes of smart, automated productivity. It's like having a whole digital team working for you while you focus on what really matters: strategy, creativity, and making big decisions. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe for more AI tool deep dives, and let me know in the comments. What would you use Context.ai for first? See you in the next one.